What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ice King. Today we're gonna be eating some biryani. Biryani. First, we're gonna start with the biryani, but I'm not gonna add any yogurt. Shout outs for today: Gunnar, Joven, and Cool Dude 07. I just call him.
So good.
Hot.
Solid. Lots of cucumbers. Onions.
Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. I really want 1,000 subscribers.
Time for bite two.
For my childhood. This is from my childhood.
So,
What I really like of this is the veggie. The real biryani is actually carnivore. I do not want to eat meat. Make sure to subscribe to the King of Fire YT because he just had 160 moving subscribers over and over. He needs to get 1,000 subscribers or 1K. So make sure to go to his channel. I like these juices in here. Guys, if you want me to do a name reveal, that get me to 1 million subscribers. If I do, then I'll do a main. Then I'll do a name reveal. Or for day.
I'm gonna have some more yogurt, guys.
Call a day.
Oh.
There, my bad.
You guys are back. I am back.
What's up, guys? I'm back.
Yogurt and gonna eat some milk because I'm so hungry, guys. I'm starving.
If any of you guys go to Joseph Taylor School, I'm near Miss Akron's class. I'm near grade 2. That's my class
And cool, you got
in school. You should check most of my videos. You should check Mom's Kitchen. It's kind of good. It's actually really good. She teaches you how to make Indian food. And I'm not joking. It's actually really good. She just made this biryani by herself. So you should go check her channel. She needs over 1 million subscribers.
gluey.
Glued pencil. No. Put that back there. We're almost done. I'm almost done with this all.
So good, guys. I'm gonna go get some more yogurt. And so good.
If you want me, I can turn that light out. I could turn off the lights for a bit. 1 second and off.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some more lady.
Mike is actually doing a moonwalk. A minute. Look faster. I need some cucumbers. Get it from India.
Okay, I am back again. You want even more food? And yep, and I'm still hungry, so time to eat even more.
More.
This is so good. Yes, I love this.
These are my last bites.
Really tasty.
Not a good rock. Guys, that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.
See you later.